Hello everybody, this is Jesse from NAPCO Tech Support, and in this video we're going to go over how to do a SIA to contact ID conversion. So we have a control panel that you're locked out of. And reporting SIA format, we can now convert that to contact ID. This feature is only going to be available on the MAX2 line of radios. The SLE-MAX2, this is the dual SIM radio with AT&T and Verizon SIMs. You will also need the SLE-MF jumper installed on the radio. It is included with the radio. When you log into the NOC, you'll see an option for SIA codes. We give you a default table, which is the best conversions for SIA to contact ID. However, if you needed something custom or wanted something changed, you'd have to make a template. So we can click on Template Manager, make a template. We'll call it Test. You can call it the panel type. Save, and we can pick that template. Okay, so example here, an FA and SIA is a fire alarm. We're going to convert that to a 110. If you were going to change it, this is where you would do it. A 1 in front of the 3-digit contact ID code would be an alarm, and then the contact ID code. So we're changing an FA, which is a general fire alarm in SIA, to a E110 by putting a 110 in contact ID, which is general fire alarm in contact ID. If we were going to change it, we could. We'd hit save here. For another example, on a restore, we're going to have a 3 in front of the fire code. So an FH is a fire alarm restore in SIA. So that would be a 3, and then the 110, for that would be an R110 in contact ID. Now when we pull up the radio, we have to do a little bit of programming on it to set that. We're going to go into the Advanced tab, and then you're going to set it to HS9. That's the SIA to contact ID, is the last one with the 651 order. Now also, if you were going to use a default template, this is where you would have to come in, pick your new template, and click download to the radio. And this will send in your new template into the radio to be used. If this is not sent in, it will all use the default template. Okay, now that has been successfully sent in, and it will have all the codes, anything you change. You can sort by all assigned and not assigned codes. Then we will go to the signal log. We'll see that it's natively not going to come in as SIA, is going to come in as contact ID. There will be a conversion. We'll send the signal. Okay, as you can see, I did an ARM on a burglar alarm system, and it converted that into a 401, which is a closing signal in contact ID. Now just remember, SIA is not as granular as contact ID. There are no areas in SIA, so even if this is like a multi-area burg system, it's not going to report by what area is armed, just the code and the user. Now just to review, we went over how to set up your SLE-MAX2 radio to do a SIA to contact ID conversion and set up a custom template if needed. As always, for more information, you can visit us on the web at tech.napcosecurity.com. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for the list of radio models.